Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick, cheap and easy bit of terrain builder for your urban themed tabletop board games in the form of a mini wooden pallet. So for this, what we're going to need is we're going to need some coffee stirrers like you get in most coffee shops or takeaway places. You're going to need at least 2, maybe 3. You're going to need some super glue, some scissors, and the base of a mini just to make some measurements. So to get started, I am going to take one of my stirrers and I'm going to chop just one of the curved edges off. And using the base, take a quick measurement for one of the slats of the pallet. Just cut that there. And just keep cutting down until you get no more stirrer left. And careful you don't ping it across the table. Like so. However, these wee end bits, don't throw them away because we're going to come back and use those in a moment. Now for each pallet you're going to need 8 of these long boards. So 4 for the cross, 2 for the sides of the top. And what we're going to do is put a bit of glue on one end, take one of your other boards and put it at a right angle. Careful not to glue your fingers together or glue them to the board. You can use other types of glue for this. I'm just using super glue for quickness. There we go. And I'm going to put another one here. Important thing for pallets is to have 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. There we go. I'm just going to make the initial square. Don't worry about it being perfect. Most pallets in the real world aren't perfect. In fact, as a bit of character, if they're not. There we go. Now get a little bit of frame. I'm just going to put a bit of glue there and there. Add another board. And finally for the top there and there. There we have our top section of the pallet. Now remember the section I told you not to throw away? What we're going to do is we're going to cut some little squares off these, and these are just going to be like risers for the pallet. Don't worry if you split apart, it's quite okay. And we're going to want about 8. What we'll do is top. This one down. Bit blue. And just all 4 corners. And I'm going to put another wee spacer on top of these. And lastly, just going to put a couple of cross beams there. Boom, and ta-da! A wee wooden pallet. Quick and simple, nice and cheap. And if you want, obviously you can tidy up the edges, you can sand them down, you can paint them, you can stain them, or if you're feeling particularly brave, you can burn them to give them a really apocalyptic look. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Bye.